All right, good day, everybody. It is Wednesday, the 6th of December, and we're looking at Tesla. This was the trade. Remember, that was the trade that I outlined yesterday. And what I was telling you is you would be looking to buy the call options if we're able to take out Tuesday's high of the round number 308, right? 308 was, in fact, the trigger. So the actual trigger was 308.20 to 308.30. So we need to see a 20 to 30 cent penetration up through that high before looking to get long. And I said buy call options either at the money or out of the money. It's really up to you. Take a look at Tesla today. Once we penetrated up through that 308 to 308.30, we ran up immediately to 313.39. So immediate 5-point move to the upside. On the call option, that's great. Did even phenomenal move. Now, this is what I did. To be completely transparent, let's see, I was on a show last night and I was talking about how Tesla, if Tesla were to open up lower, okay, that would be even a better setup to go long and then add to the position if we take out the high. Look at where the market opened up. Look at where Tesla opened up today. 310 on the absolute low of the day and ran up. So I bought some call options at the open, and I bought more when we penetrated through the high of the day. So let's look at an intraday. All right, take a look at, this is the intraday chart. This is a 5-minute Tesla chart. All right, this is where it opened up right there at 9:30 in the morning. So bought the call options, okay? And it was a nice trade. Let's show you where a 308.30 is. 308.30 is actually right up in here. Okay, 308.30 ran up immediately to 309.5, pull back to 306.93, and then once we took out this high, we charged. So let me just show you something here. Okay, today's position was a very small position. I only did one down here, okay, and one up here. And you can see that right, let me get my pen, that'll be easier. Look at the Tesla right here. We did the January 19th call. We had two options, real small position. Bought that at 17, average price is $17.97. It's at $23.31 for a complete gain so far of $1,069. And that looks like, I'm going to watch it very closely tomorrow and look to potentially take off the position, but I will trail this up and see if we can get a bigger move. Let's just look at the daily. Again, on the dailies, I'm looking for a bigger move, right? I'm looking for a move up into this area here, right? So I'm looking for a retest of this high and then this high, okay? If we can take out this high, I would expect the market to try to retest this high. Now, does that happen the next day or so? I'm not exactly sure, but that's why I like to buy out about 45 days out to give me a little time. But this trade, I will trail it up and I will lock in at least half the profits that I have in here. All right. All right, let's take a look at Starbucks. We haven't looked at that in a while. Look at Starbucks, it's been moving higher. Now, remember, I told you about Starbucks down in this area, right? These areas where this is where I was buying the market. We had plenty of time to get in, but now we're up. We're going higher. Who doesn't like Starbucks, right? Got to be an owner, right? Gold has come. Okay, let's just look at ADMS. Now we're coming back down between the 11 and 21 exponential. Remember, we went long down in here, trailed that up. Nice trade. Gold coming down. Okay, we gapped lower. So right now, I believe we're at a critical level. We are at, look at this. This area here is where the market rejected last time when we bounced, right? So I'm looking to this area in here. We'll see. We have an inside vertical bar today, right? So if you're not long gold, take a look at GLD, right? We've got an inside pattern, right? Look at today's high. Today's high was 120.44. Yesterday's high was 120.51. So we have a higher low and a lower high. So if we break up through this, would be above that 200. Again, look at the 2-bar RSI as well, under 10. So we're in oversold condition. But we're at a critical level. If we break down and close below this low, then I think we could go a little lower, okay? Let's take a look at Microsoft. Okay, not a whole lot there. When the market sold off the other day, 2 days ago, on Monday, right down in here, if you were going to do anything, you'd be looking to do it right in there. Okay, you got oversold. Look at that. Take a look at there's nothing really interesting. Moo. Okay, we are really coiled up in here. Okay, Micron. An inside day yesterday, right? Lower high than Monday, higher low, and then look at today. Lower high, higher low. Got a nice pattern here. Okay, if we're able to close up in here tomorrow, right where I'm circling, then I believe we run higher. So I think that's another good trade setup. Okay, hope that helps. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Tomorrow is the big cryptocurrency Bitcoin workshop. It's 7 o'clock. Be sure to sign up. You'll get the replay. I think you'll absolutely love it.